Well, today we are checking out a two-tier expandable shoe rack and space organizer. So let's get started here. All right, see what this entails. This is supposed to be no tools necessary. So we have, looks like 4 legs here. Tough piece of tape there. Okay, so those are nice. Look like some decent metallic pieces there. All right, set those off to the side here. See what else we got in the box. And I think that's it. Okay, and then we just have these 2 side pieces here with so a couple of screws. Looks like they have no tools necessary, so it just have little grips on the ends, and we can just tighten those in. So let's go assemble this and show you how it looks with some shoes on there. Check it out. All right, friends, this looks like a pretty straightforward assembly. Here we have 4 tops, 4 end covers for that, and this is going to be rather quick, I believe. So we're just going to put these on there real quick. These go on there. Oh, the wider ones go on the wider ones there. Oh, those are a little bit snug. There we go. There's that. And then just kind of put them on there and then, okay. Yeah, this is a little challenging. Okay, there we go. That's probably going to be the hardest part of this install. Just getting these on there, I would guess. Okay, just kind of get them on there and then okay. A little tough to put on there. That's okay. There we go. Practice makes perfect. Okay, so we got 4 of those on those side. And then we just got 2 on these ones. 1, 2 on this one. Oops. Gonna give me some trouble. Nope. So I said this is gonna be the hardest part of the install right here. Just trying to get these on. There we go. And 1 here. There we go. 1 more. Doesn't go on at first, just kind of rotate it a little bit. And there we go. Okay. Next we have, let's see, which is the top and which is the bottom. You know what? I'm not sure if it even matters that much. Looks like these are kind of universal. I'm just going to make sure that one goes one way, one goes the other. So we have these screws here. And this goes in the end. Righty-tighty. Simple. Very easy install here, guys. Same thing here, just tighten that on. And we'll do the other 2 at the top here. Just tighten that on there. Okay, and we got 1 more to go. Make sure we can see that okay. And if it doesn't come out, you can just kind of lean it upside down there and it's gonna work pretty good. There's that. Okay. Just come over here to this other side. And I'm just gonna make sure that this lines up with that one. Okay, here we go. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And try not to over tighten these. It doesn't have to be anything super tight. This is a really easy install, guys. Assembly here. All right, so here we go. That's it. It expands out to almost double the length there. So probably, I'm guessing almost 18 inches to about 3 feet-ish. So let's go put some shoes on there and see how well this works. All right, so as we can see, fully extended. I couldn't quite fit 4 shoes on there, or 4 pairs of shoes. These are a little bit wider. If you had smaller shoes, I'm sure you get 4 pairs on each. So pretty handy there. I have it, the ends not fully extended there. But as you can tell, it's a nice 2-tier shoe rack for a reasonable price. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. All right, friends, so final thoughts on this 2-tier expandable shoe rack. It's pretty durable. It's got the posts and everything are made out of metal. Seems pretty sturdy. It's got the little tips on there, so it's like not, won't slide around. Yeah, very functional. Easy to assemble. Really nothing bad to say about it. I mean, obviously, if you have some kids jumping up and down on it, it's not going to stand up to that. But as far as just being able to hold shoes and whatnot, it's a nice little shoe rack. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you all next time.